Hi, this is Kirti from the implementation team at Aviso. Today I'm here to take you through the Aviso's op map. To access this feature, you will need to log into your Aviso application, navigate to the Deals tab, and then click on Maps on the top right corner. The primary objective of this feature is to help you identify the deals at risk and also share the list of upside deals that are worth pursuing. All your deals are divided into 4 quartiles, and this can be further sorted by your sales forecasting categories, amount, and count. The first quartile talks about deals in focus, wherein you as well as Aviso are in agreement that these deals can be closed within the quarter. And the second quartile talks about deals at risk, wherein you have called out these deals to be in forecast. However, Aviso thinks that these deals are at risk and are less likely to be closed within this quarter. And the third quadrant talks about upside deals, wherein Aviso says that these deals are worth chasing and investing your time. And coming to the fourth quartile, Aviso as well as you both are in agreement that these deals are low priority. We have also introduced COVID-19 forecasting, wherein we share a list of deals that are at risk due to COVID-19 impact, and also these are the list of upside deals due to COVID-19 impact. You click on any of these quartiles, that gives you a list of all the deals belonging to that specific quartile, and this can be further sorted and discussed. If you have any further questions regarding Aviso's op map, please feel free to reach out to your customer success manager. Thank you.